All right, so today we're going to be having a Samuel Smith's Winter Ale, Winter Welcome Ale. All right. Longest reigning British monarch, 1952, 70 years, the Queen's Platinum Jubilee. Cheers. I looked this up. This is actually dating back to 2001. This is some British thing. And imported, it is imported, so this is actually made in Tadcaster, UK. Now, the Queen's dead, so I don't know how they're going to change this thing. 2022, 2023. So basically, you know, she died a couple months ago, I guess now, right? So here's one for that old cunt, right? Here's one for the old cunt. Let's pour it out. I looked up beer reviews on Beer Advocate, on Untapped, and it's like, nah, it's not that great. It's not horrible, but, you know, people said it's not the best. You know, 6% alcohol, I don't know. People are just not that pleased with it, so whatever. It's from Britain. It was in the store. Even if you pour it out, it doesn't have that much foam to it. Only 12 ounces, 6% alcohol. You know, compared to my kombuchas, it's kind of in between. This is the hard kombucha. This is the normal kombucha. It's kind of in between. A little closer to the normal one, right? So, it's a good beer. I mean, it's not terrible. It has that kind of gumminess. It has that kind of gumminess that I feel in the in that Italian Peroni stuff, you know. And that's kind of it. I don't know what else to say. It's drinkable. It's not your bland Budweiser thing, but okay, it's nothing too crazy, but it's good for a beer. If you want a plain, simple beer that's not like, you know, Budweiser or Bud Light or anything totally boring, this is pretty good. Again, the color is a little different. And again, to celebrate, I'll also be having London broil, which is, you can actually cook it on a grill. You know, you don't have to broil it in the oven. You can just slather it with some salt, leave it out for an hour, and then put it on the grill. 6 minutes each side, 4 minutes, again, lid down, so a total of 664. Pour some butter on it. It'll be perfect. So that's what I'm going to be eating to commemorate Queen Elizabeth II. That is it.